earthquake happen in the middle of the sky?
It sounds like somebody is snoring loudly.
I think it's almost time for Murabba to wake up.
Murabba?
Yes, Murabba. He is the Prince of Jellyland. He is really very sweet and he can sleep for years at a stretch.
Now that's interesting. While the prince enjoys his lovely sleep, others have to stay up all night because of his loud snoring.
No. It's only when the prince is about to wake up, then his snoring gets louder and alarms the whole world. Because when he wakes up, he's really very hungry. I think Prince Murabba should be waking up any moment now.
Sky Dragon, I think the people of Jellyland must be very unhappy because of all this. We must do something to help them.
What kind of landing is this?
That wasn't landing. That was crash landing. Kids, this is the Jellyland. Everything around here is made of yummy jelly.
This jelly is really sweet and very tasty. Yum!
Murabba's snoring is getting louder now. Run, everybody!
Mango, guava, blueberry. Wow!
Sky Dragon? I am so glad you are here. Huh? Super Beam! Super Beam? Wow, you have come here at the right time. Yeah, I am Sully.
We have come here to help you, Sully.
Thank you, Super Beam. Actually, there is nothing to worry about. It's just that our Prince Murabba is about to wake up. Let us attend to him first. Then I will give you all a grand tour of our Jellyland. There's nothing to worry about. I think Murabba is awake.
Murabba is hungry.
That is a Prince Murabba. I am afraid I have some bad news for you all. I think it's best for all of us to run now. Murabba has woken from his sleep. Somebody get jellies.
Sully, does this happen every day?
No. Prince Murabba has actually woken up after a long time. We just have to keep him away from our snowball.
But that snowball is quite high. Prince won't be able to eat it.
Yeah, actually there is nothing to worry about. But that snowball looks quite appetizing to our Prince Murabba and he can't resist it at all. The moment he sees that snowball, he tries to go for it. Then why don't we feed him with that snowball once and for all? Maybe that will calm him down. That snowball actually protects the Jellyland from melting down. Actually, there is nothing to worry about. But if Prince Muraba eats it by any chance, the entire Jellyland will melt in moments.
So the prince really wants to have that snowball. But he's not allowed to eat it. It is actually something to worry about.
Muraba wants red jelly. Jelly eyes! Jelly eyes!
No! We have to stop Muraba!
What? Does Muraba only like to eat jelly and nothing else?
Yeah. He does like music and dance a lot.
Music and dance.
Jelly eyes!
Music has distracted Prince Muraba's mind for a while, but his tummy is still empty. We will have to think of something else.
Actually, there is nothing to worry about. But there is still a lot of time left for our Prince Muraba goes back to his sleep.
Oh no.
Fresh and yummy jelly. Come on, fill your belly. Yum, 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 yum. Come, 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 come.
Jelly hot! Jelly cold!
I think he's trying to cool off the hot jelly with the help of a snowball.
Prince Muraba, look over here. Cherry jellies.
Beam, this Prince Muraba is only interested in eating jelly. What should we do now?
Yeah, but what if we offer him something much better than jelly to eat?
But what can we possibly offer Muraba to eat, Beam?
You have that thing with you, Chutki.
Huh? Yes.
No! Actually, there is nothing to worry about. I'm just going to turn into a puddle of water from jelly.
Prince Muraba, try this very special sweet treat. I'm sure you've never tasted this.
Wants more laddus!
Very good, Beam. You did it.
Actually, there is nothing to worry about.
Sully,
Huh?
really, there is nothing to worry about. Look at that. Look over there, children. That is the Yamuna constellation, most shining star in the world.
There's someone over there.
Yes, Beam. Even I can hear someone.
Hey, wait! Why are you hiding here?
He seems to be very angry.
But why is he walking so slowly?
Hey, please leave me alone.
Hello, I am Super Bheem and these are my friends.
Your name is Super Bheem. My name is Super Dim.
Super Dim?
Yes, can't you see? There is no light or power in me.
Super dim? I know of one super bright, but super dim?
I am the real Super Bright. The one out there is my cunning brother. Those days were so lovely when I used to live in my bright castle with bright lights. Everything used to shine in my bright light. But then one day, Super Dim came to my palace. And while I was getting ready to sleep, Super Dim came there. But I had never imagined that he would be so cunning. He took out the bulb from my head and he stole my jacket. Super Dim took away my castle and became super bright. And I became Super Dim forever.
Super dim? Where has Super Bright hidden your light, tell me?
In a box, which is in the cornermost room of the castle.
Okay, Super Dim, let's go and get your light back.
But Super Bright is very dangerous. And trust me, his one stroke of light will weaken all of you.
Yes, but Super Bright has not seen the power of Super Beam yet.
Now, Super Bright will soon steal all the light from this whole world. And...
Oh my god! This bright light will turn me totally blind.
Huh? What are you doing? Who let you inside?
Super Bright, sir, we are the cleaners and caretakers of all the bright things in the entire world. Don't you worry, we will take care of all your bulbs carefully.
Who sent you over here? I am super bright.
Oh, look at that. What a beautiful chandelier. Come, let's clean it.
Super Bright, can I check and clean your jacket, please?
It must be somewhere here.
If he will walk so slowly, we will not reach anywhere.
I can't walk. It's in there.
Kalia and Raju, stay back and keep an eye around. We will go and get Super Dim's light.
Hey, this is closed. Now how should we enter?
Jaggu, I am sure your tail can reach inside from here. Huh?
Let me check this bulb now. Oh, this is very delicate. It broke.
Not an accident. You broke it. I really don't want your useless cleaning.
Kalia, Raju, you pick up Super Dim and go out. Come on, Super Dim.
Super Bright.
Huh? Hey, stop!
Raju! Chutki, take this. Super Dim's light. Huh?
Hey, what was that?
Super Bright. That was the magic of Super Sound. Dholu Bolu, one more time.
Huh? The closer you try to come to me, the weaker you will get, Super Beam. Stop at once, Super Dim. You will always remain Super Dim, okay?
Beam! Take this laddu!
Oh no! Hey, how is this happening?
This is the power of Super Laddu. Super Dim, it's
Super
dangerous
Bright's
there.
power is in his...
In his stomach.
No, in his hands.
In his head.
Hey, say it quickly, Super Dim. It's in his hair.
Beam! Super Bright's power is in his hair.
Yay! Super Beam, Kalia! You guys are wonderful! My castle! My home!
He is much brighter than Super Bright, friend.